If you love French fries or chips, today I'm going to be showing you a very easy way you can revamp leftover fries or chips into a very delicious and interesting meal. So we're going to be making chips vuruga, that is chips cooked in meat. Over here I have some plain steak for 200 Kenya shillings. Also I have onions, garlic and ginger, some spices together with my leftover fries, cooking oil and some Worcestershire sauce. So I'm going to start off by chopping my meat. My meat also has a little bit of fat, but that's not a problem. I'm going to keep the fat so that it can add more flavor to my chips vuruga. I'm going to cut my meat into bite-sized pieces, just like this one. You can see this is a very nice piece of meat. And once done, I'm going to place a pan over medium heat, and then I'm going to add some cooking oil to my pan. Transfer my meat in the pan. So you're going to evenly distribute your meat in a big pan, just like mine, and let the meat brown on all sides. After 1 minute, I'm going to flip my meat and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. Browning the meat is going to add some extra flavor to our chips vuruga. So at this point, I'm going to add in my onions, some ginger and garlic. Stir in. Cook the onions until soft and the garlic and ginger is fragrant. So at this point, I'm going to add in some very nice spices. So I have some paprika, garlic powder, ground coriander, black pepper and cumin. Add in a seasoning cube. Crush my seasoning cube into the pan. Stir in. Toss the spices together with the meat for around 30 seconds. Then next I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of water. At this point my meat is looking very delicious, so I'm going to reduce the flames to low. Add in some Worcestershire sauce. You're going to stir in the Worcestershire sauce and let the meat cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. Also, it depends on the cut of meat that you have. Mine is tender, so it's going to take a very short while to cook. If yours is a bit tough, you're going to cook your meat until fully cooked and soft. Also, I added a seasoning cube to my meat, so I'm not going to be adding any extra salt. So if you don't have a seasoning cube, you can simply use salt to flavor your meat. When it comes to spices, I love adding paprika because it adds a very nice color to my food. And also I love using black pepper because it adds a very mild spiciness to my dish. You can also add in some chili if you like spicy food. At this point, everything looks very nice and delicious. My meat is tender and the sauce has reduced. So I'm going to add in my leftover fries. Stir in your chips or fries into the pan and coat the fries with the delicious sauce, and oh my, this is looking so good. My chips is ready and looking very delicious. Just look at this. My chips vuruga is looking very delicious, and I love that it's loaded with beef meat, which is very delicious and well seasoned. So this is a recipe to try out if you have some leftover fries in the house, or you have a takeaway and you don't know what to do with the fries. So I hope you'll give this recipe a try and you'll surely enjoy each and every bite.